Hello, this is the fun stop in Big Spring, Texas, or the far eastern side of it anyway, and let me just show you around a little bit. Okay. Mostly romance novels. I'm not seeing any science fiction. Okay, and here we are. It's a rental store also, and swords and sorcery, DVDs, science fiction, I for one. Okay. Jeez, be that way. Oh! Oh, even more. So you may not have seen anything like this since the Blockbuster days. Oh, look. Well, the VHSs can't be rented because there's a finite chance of being destroyed by the video player. I'm not really seeing any that catch my eye. Oh, that's right. I was going to look for a particular horror movie. Oh. Oh, I thought that was X-Men for a minute. On VHS. Oh. Oopsie doopsie. Oh, Michael Keaton. There we are. Okay. That's in the rental section. Golden Voyage of Eye of the Tiger. Seventh Voyage. Oh, I have that one. Oh, that's enough. And more rentals. I was looking for Evil Speak, but I guess he can't have every horror movie ever made. Although he's making a good stab towards it. So just wanted to show you my down the street video store / novelty store. And he always leaves the Halloween decorations up. No point in taking them down. Oh, music videos. Or musicals, I suppose. How come that ain't Dirty Dancing? There's a sequel? One Last Dance? Okay, and in addition, also sells souvenirs and knickknacks. Sorry, this camera doesn't do close-ups well. Oh well. Thank you for letting me video. Oh, even more VHSs.
Yeah, those are ones for sale.
Oh, they're on the budget rack. I don't really see anything. Oh. Was that Jay Leno? Yes, look, it's Jay Leno's movie with Pat Morita. And Jumpin' Jack Flash with Whoopi Goldberg. I don't see anything that's really a collectible. Okay, more souvenirs and knickknacks. Oh, remind me to show you the place that has wood carvings. I wish I timed my recording because I wanted to keep under 10 minutes. Oh. And it's Halloween all year round.
Pretty much.
And greeting cards, birthday cards. Cards for all occasions. Is that someone I know? Art by Josephine Wall. She's probably famous and I don't know her. There's a larger version. Metal signs. And over-the-counter novelties. Oh, there's an Uncle Fester light bulb. Electric shock cigarette lighters and ballpoint pens. Party favors, those things that shoot streamers up in the air. Oh, you got more of the backwards clocks. I bought one of those. There's a guy on the internet who made one from scratch. I mean, he took a regular clock and adapted it. Okay, a Magic 8 ball and undecided. A fidget spinner. Did I show you these DVDs? I don't remember I did. Sort of marked down. No, I don't know how close to 10 minutes I am. Oh, really budget sale. Oh, we don't talk about Bruno. And VHS. Oh, the Pets and Pets 2 double feature. Is there something else I want to show you? Oh, it's an alien Magic 8 ball. Okay.